You give credit, due credit to the artisans who make the garments. You know, of course, he is the face of it. They are his garments. His name is on the beautiful clothes. But for him to give the credit to they would be your stars, you know, who create your clothes. So I think that that is really commendable. Yes. Right.
They're like whole body, and designer works like the brain. That's it.
It really was a very beautiful show, Rahul. I mean, you as a designer have won accolades for India through and through, and every collection that you represent or you put together, it's a completely different out of the body experience for even us as an audience to watch. So could not be happier, you know, to be concluding day 3 with you. Shraddha, you look absolutely gorgeous, and the fact that, you know, this is this is for Project E, we could not be even more happier because we get to get our hands onto this collection really, really soon. Just a request now, if we could open the floor to media to have you ask your questions.
Rahul, can you take us through the embroidery we saw in the collection?
Actually, I've just like last week was my India Couture Week show, so it was a challenging task for me in a way. Although this collection, handloom, I keep working throughout the year, and unfortunately, I was not getting chance to able to showcase it because I only do India Couture Week. Second is Paris Fashion Week, so 2 Paris Fashion Weeks which I'm doing. So coming back to Lakme was a great opportunity for me to be able to show the newness what we could bring about handloom, and at the same time the kind of work which I'm able to do with Project Eve. Actually, this embroidery was an extension of idea in a new artistic form. Although this embroidery represents brand Rahul Mishra's idea of showcasing lightweight couture, something which can be worn by today's women, and somebody like Shraddha, if she loves driving, she can drive wearing this, like, and this is extremely lightweight, very easy to handle, and 100% handmade. I'm really proud of these artisans, these embroiderers, weavers I work with. They are gift of God to us, and I could not have even one personal success, whether it's Paris or India, without them. So all thanks to them.
Shraddha, what was your reaction when you saw the collection, especially this showstopper outfit?
My reaction was just wow. And you know, I have to say that uh, everyone, my friends, my family, they were really excited that I was walking for him because along with me, even they really love his work. And the kind of response that his work garners is, you know, when I ask my friends, what is it? And they say that it's just how he makes each garment with so much detailing. And I asked you that 2 of my best friends wanted to come and see the show as well today. And let me tell you, my friends do not show excitement very easily. And today they were like, we want to come for your show and we want to see the clothes in person. And, you know, and they're very non-forgiving in terms of what I wear, what I don't wear. They were very thrilled when I shared the picture of my outfit as well today. And I got a full thumbs up from all my friends. And they are my biggest critics. And, you know, they said, these are the kind of clothes you should wear, Shraddha. This is what you should. And so back to your question in terms of what you asked me about his collection, I think it's absolutely beautiful. It's, if each garment would have a melody, it would be a bird song. So it was really, it's stunning.
Shraddha, it's a bird song collection. So, what bird you relate to yourself?
What bird do I relate? I think maybe we should ask Rahul if I was a bird, which bird would I be?
I think maybe a swan. That's why she's wearing a swan lenga.
I definitely appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you.
So this again, I knew it was coming. Although, it's just about being right fit. And let me tell you, without saying anything, that we had a few options from Projective side, because ultimately, when I create my brand, it is for certain people. They understand everything directly, the poetry. But sometimes when Projective wants to reach out to the larger audience with amazing price points, obviously, like Bollywood is one of the strongest reasons, strongest face what a good cause can have. And ultimately, when I got to know about Shraddha, like it was a very natural excitement amongst everybody. Divya to everybody was like unanimously excited. And this was one exception which came from my team. Let me tell you this also.
I want to add something to it. जो डिज़ाइनर कभी भी शो स्टॉपर नहीं रखता, उसने मुझे चुना, तो मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है कि जो अपने विचार को बदल सके, बिकॉज उनके विजन के हिसाब से उन्हें लगा कि मैं फिट हो पाई, तो आई थिंक वो बहुत बड़ी बात है. एंड विच ऑल्सो सेज दैट ही स्टेज ट्रू टू हिज क्राफ्ट. यस.
I don't know. I can't say much, but right now I'm very excited with this space. I am excited. I would be really happy if we can continue collaborating with Shraddha as much as possible. She has been, very honestly, like any brand, whether it's India or international, or you talk about Givenchy, working with some international Hollywood celebrity, everywhere you have a close connect of films and fashion together. And although I had a privilege of dressing up quite a few beautiful girls in Bollywood, and they have been liking my product, and they have been asking. There were a lot of requests. In for couture week collection I got. Although using Showstopper is like one of the very, very beautiful thing which for this collection we could do. And I also feel as a brand I'm evolving every day. Today what I feel right, I'm doing. Tomorrow what I will feel right, I have to do. There's nothing like a dogma or nothing like a rigid ideology. Rigidity is opposite of designing. I think it's all about adaptability. It's all about doing something new, which people do not expect. And I'm happy you do not expect this. This is happening. It's nice.
And correct me if I'm wrong, with this particular range, you are going into the mass market.
Yeah.
So how this collaboration is going to have like better extension in future maybe?
I really feel like what I thought about behind this collaboration, one is actually there are two ends of market. One is extreme producer who is producing handloom. We go with this idea, the fair pricing has to go to him. We do not bargain much with the weavers. We give them enough leeway and time. Second thing is we cut out all the middleman between retailer and even including designer. I'm no longer a middleman in that. I'm just a designer who is designing the line. And then after that, it's all Project Eve, which works directly with Weaver to make sure Weaver does it. And we produce it with new techniques of production, modern age technique of production in terms of tailoring the garment. But weaving is a most age-old idea which employs and empowers more and more rural weavers of India. Ultimately, if we want a better India, we have to have more employment going back to rural part of India, so the cities can be a bit more crowd-free. And we have to, and this is one step which can bring tremendous recipe for better employment across villages of India.
I think it's just to add, it's the process of rediscovering the Indian art forms, the Indian art and craft forms, which perhaps I think in our quest for modernity has been somewhere left behind. And therefore it's a challenge actually, really to look at, art forms being sustained, because a lot of it is done through hand and therefore needs to be passed on from one generation to the other. It's a challenge, it's an uphill battle, but I think we stand committed in terms of encouraging this, not really taking to the masses, but yes, in the sense, taking it to a much, much larger platform than what it is today.
Thank you.
What is the festive look to you for this season?
Last question.
तो गणपति आ रहा है और घर पे पूरी तरह से तैयारियां हो रही है और एक्चुअली मैं आई वाज गोइंग टू रिक्वेस्ट यू इफ़ आई कुड एक्चुअली बी ड्रेस्ड बाय यू फॉर द फेस्टिवल. अभी आपने पूछ ही लिया है तो इट्स ओके, यू डोंट हैव टू आंसर. बट आई फील गणपति जो है मेरे घर में वी बिन सेलिब्रेटिंग सिंस मैनी 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 ईयर्स. सो गणेश चतुर्थी. सो definitely Indian, and if he will dress me, then definitely I would love to wear something by him. We have 1.5 day Ganpati मेरे घर पे. मेरे घर पे नहीं actually, मेरे मासी के घर पे, but it's I call it my home only. It's just under my building. So yes.
Last question.
Shraddha, how does it feel to be associated with Project Evil? You spoke about with Rahul Mishra, but what about Project Evil, the unique concepts he spoke about?
Absolutely. In fact, हमने पहले कुछ किया है. We did an integration together on social media, and I was very happy to be a part of it. I think it's a one of a kind experience that they provide for women, and I've heard a lot about their store, and I've been urged to go and see it and to really experience it. They have mood lighting in their changing rooms as per. If you want to see how the dress looks at night, you can change the lighting in the dressing room. And their dressing rooms are even larger than a regular dressing room with a seating inside for, how girls, when they go shopping, most of the times, nothing except for them only, and the bag though is out only almost. So there's no place to keep the bag. So when he was telling me the facilities that they offer, that there is even a desk for the bag, there is an additional chair with a charging point inside the changing room to make your shopping experience that much enjoyable. Because भले ही हम कपड़े देख ले, but when you have to go and try it, you're like, okay, is it going to be fun? So I think all the best, and I'm sure that this new concept of this experiential visiting a store and having that entire experience is going to really make a lot of women and girls happy.
Thank you so much. That concludes our post-show conversation.